Hi guys, in this short video we're going to show you how to use and set a Swiss-made chronograph watch, in this case a Swiss Alpine military with a ronda movement. This watch is really simple to use. You can start the chronograph with the upper pusher here, start it. You'll see that the large second hand is starting to move. It will time your seconds, and also the minute hand over here, you can see there, is also going to move. It's moving slowly, of course, but it will time your minutes. And down here your hours will be timed. So if you continue for 1 hour, it will be on 1 hour. If you want to pause your chronograph, you simply push the upper pusher again. It will stop the movement and it will pause the timing. Once you've done that and you want to reset your chronograph, you need to stop it with the uppermost pusher, which I just did, and then reset it with the lower pusher over here, and you'll see that it will reset. Also, you'll see that the large second hand over here is not really on the 12 o'clock position. That's of course it's not a default of the watch. It's simply a setting that you can do with this watch, and we'll show you how to do this so your chronograph will be nicely set. The first thing you need to do is to pull the crown to the outermost position, and then you'll need to push both the pushers here for at least 2 seconds. You push them both until the second hand moves like this. And now you can set the second hand here with the uppermost pusher and set it to the 12 o'clock position here. Now you might also want to set the other hands, the minute hand and the hour hand. So you continue for the next hand and you keep pushing the upper pusher to set, in this case, the hour hand of the chronograph watch. You see? Once you've done that, you can continue to the minute hand and also set this hand correctly to the 12 o'clock position. Once you've done that, the chronograph is set. You can push the crown back into its normal position, and it will, if you start the chronograph, it will be set nicely to its 12 o'clock position. If you reset it, you can see it. That's it. It's not really difficult, and it's not the same on all watches, especially not Swiss-made watches. You can see you need to push both pushers for this watch, but some other movements might have different settings, different possibilities to set your chronograph. Check the manual of your watch then. You can find it online. Most Swiss watches do have a ronda movement, or well, maybe another movement. Find it online, and it's not really hard to set your watch. It's not broken when the second hand is not exactly on the 12th position. It's just a setting. Okay, thank you guys, bye.